Cousins, oh my goodness, let me show you what I have. Do you see that? That's right out the box. I didn't have to do any sort of defining. None of the things, y'all. I didn't have to do any of it. I really need y'all to get these deets because this is the one right here. This is it. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all, I'm bringing you a wig from ISEE Hair. As you can see, I'm really ready to get into this box, okay? So bam, you already know the ISEE Hair box. It's pretty consistent. The package sauce is package sauce ing, period. They're gonna give you the gifts, okay? I don't think I got the brush this time. I don't really use those brushes a lot of time for the edges, so I'm not really worried about that. But let me tell you about this wig. This is a 6x4 wear and go glueless wig, but this is their finger coily wig, y'all. So it has all of the things, okay? All of the attributes. But look at that right there. Look at that. Do you know what this means? If this works out the way thus saith the Lord, we don't need to define and pop those curls. That means it's coming at it out of the bizox, just like that. And baby, hey, my plans are to fluff until I get the ignits that I want. But other than that, y'all, I'm not all the spraying and going through with my curl brush and all that. I'm not supposed to have to do any of the things, okay? Y'all look at the little tendrils, honey. And you know I like to put little finger coils in my wigs when I'm setting those curls. You know how I tell y'all all the time, you have to disrupt the curls. It's almost like they already brushed this out. They already wet it down, slicked it down, got it good and greased up like it just got baptized, brushed through it with a curl brush, put some finger coils in it, let it dry, put it in the bag, and shipped it to you, okay? That's how it's looking like they coming at it. And we about to find out, y'all, if it's as fly out of the box as I think. Look at that. Look at the curl. They're already like that. Y'all, look at that. It's already like that. Oh, hold on. Oh, I don't know. Let's just see what's about to happen. As you can see, the lace is already pre-cut. The notch, y'all, I'm so hyped. The knots are pre-bleached, okay? But you already know there's not a lace on earth that is gonna mimic my coffee lace, so we're gonna go ahead and warm up the lace. Now, you may not have to do this part right here. It really just depends on your tone, your complexion. Bam, you may not have to do it. As for me and mine, I generally always have to do it, okay? Now, I'm trying to do the least when it comes to styling at first. I'm going to end up putting some heat to the roots, but if you don't have access to it, you can use the wax stick and kind of just slick it down a little bit at the top. If that's the style you're going for now, you don't have to do that. If you're going for a certain look on the root of the wig, you can use the wax stick if you do not have access to heat. Now remember, this is 100% virgin human hair, so you can use heat or color or bleach, whatever you want to do with this wig. It's coming at it like that. Now they do say the density is 250%. I would have to disagree with that, okay? It's a nice healthy density though, okay? I would say 180 to 200. Definitely, but I wouldn't say 250, okay? At least not the one that I have. Maybe you can get that, but yeah, y'all, look at that. This is out of the box. Do y'all understand the words that are coming out of my? This is out the box, y'all. I didn't do anything but fluff and pick it. Fluff, pick, fluff, pick. That's it. All of the, y'all know how I juice about my curls. I actually enjoy doing it, but I know everybody does not have time for that. We're gonna cut us a little bang, you know what I'm saying? Look, this is a throw and go. You toss this on, go down there to TJ Maxx, pick you up some jeans, maybe a pocketbook and a toothbrush, and it's over with. Y'all, Look at that, and that's 100% glueless, okay? Now, use the elastic band if you have plans to shout or fight. I don't suggest you fight, because that's ugly, okay? I'm just saying. But y'all, look at that. Look at the body. Now, this sucker might be $250 now, because I done fluffed it like it's never been fluffed before. Huh? Look. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Come on now. Look at those beautiful ringlet curls. I love this. If any of you out there do not have time for all the defining of the curls and stuff, it's over with. They did it for you. Come on now. Come on, y'all. Come on now. Now right here, I'm just kind of doing that because I wanted my bangs to like lie a certain way. So that's it. That's why I did that right there. Of course, you do not have to do it. But you guys, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. And as you can tell, I was feeling it. You can go through. You can separate the ringlets if you so choose to. But honey, I really didn't think their Wear Go wigs could get any easier. Y'all, here we go again with ISEE hair. Here we go again. They done twisted up again. Y'all, I am thoroughly pleased. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. I'm loving this, y'all. Peace, love, light.